sekondari ya Banyaruka ya St Augustine Otamba Ruth Ng'ang'a ni gabete kagusiria obugima bwaye kinga kyagenderete konyora kinga kyamyegetwe gucia senya gitari ye moime ya Kisumu konyora obuwenia magega yokubwataniwa ase omubasukano bwepara asensemo ya Chabera epare nene ekogenda Kisumu aburi tkuregoro mugoroba usanga naborokia ase eskuru eyo nigo abo babwateririria ndalinene nigo bamureranya gusirana kumotogia aso kwerwa kwaye gwekwene kiabu na ibirenko byetsemi byabere bigo ikirani wa senchire bwenerete ase eskuru eyo muri kitonde mo Stephen nabakagutarira eskuru eyo
Mbia mbono omwanjo morigere na rega ntobateri bagaria bene byoko bana gati abari mukuru wa school ya St Augustine Otamba Girls aba street kole goranya reto komosto mwalimu abo monene Madam Ruth Ng'ang'a nyantoka bakonyero mu basokano chinsemo chiri cha Chavera ngana nyare ko bakoba semetanda omono asoro gongorwa gusi abange bagotoma pole yabo gocha sensemo ye school na sensemo yenka ya ikorandere iga nimbateri bagaria bene byoko bana gati abari mu bare gosomia monere otora mange buna bamumanyete na ndake ngora baratume gocha senka igori tangani pi madam na bogo chakana ile tali yao na ndake nakifanya letengane ya ndake nakifanya letengane yogo sira kwa madam
naitwa Madam Joyce.
Okay.
Kerubo Ogembe. Mimi senior teacher Otamba Girls. Jana nilipata information kwa madam amepata ajali. Then later on tukasikia succumb to injuries. So ndio maana tuko hapa. We have a brief meeting.
Your message to the family, to your immediate family?
Tunawapa pole because wakati huu ni mgumu. Just like ni ngumu sana kwetu kama sisi wale tulifanya kazi na yeye, kwa familia pia ni ngumu. So tunawapa pole na wajue tuko pamoja na
Pole ni sana madam na chinga kiechechu nimbwateli bagaria bene yoko bana gatia bali mubande ore ase ensemeye abakunyara koba agotebi andakenere kurwa sensemo ya labda madam inchera kiandake kwa mumanyete kurunyara koba gokumanyana nakiwatebi gore obokoreri bwaye muntu kiolenge
Jengoro kwa Geoffrey Mwange nje director of studies. Madam Nigarengo Montomia, she was a kind-hearted person. She was so accommodating, and I think we have lost a leader. Na ile pengo amewacha, I don't think there is anybody who can fill it. Yeah, we have lost a treasure as a school and as a community.
Ikawatebeli bagaria yandaka sense ikiombekerikia chiskuru kia Kenya Secondary School Health Association mwanamone nsemo ya Kisi Central.
Kesha madam was a vice chair wa Kesha, and I think they have also lost a leader in her capacity as the vice chair. We are so sorry for the family and the Kesha at large.
Pole sana ndake tukachuka bata ukore nsema yetu abate gatia bali bagendrete nemirobe bagendrete goichana kora aso gusira ko mwalimu manene bwe school ya St Augustine Otamba getimba nyampole kyora nyare ko bagokorwa gochia se enka gochia sava wanafunzi nonyara bubene ngana yabanyolire ndake yoko boy pole kyora nyare ko area tali yao na polora gochia senka.
Jina langu ni Naomi Kerubotori. I'm one of the members of staff Otamba Girls. I'm also in charge of welfare. Tonyoleta mangana ya ngamada mwanyore accident mambi. Some of us into what time kumnyoka gochie scene. Tukanyora ba mwire for medical attention, but by the time we got to Kisumu tukanyoro kure. Na bayarenge ngakiengong sana story. As a family, Madam was an international figure. Besides being our leader, Madam was our mom. She could basically do everything for us. Kurukorosi ndagera, gosominere, to attend many functions nera. As a mom, we have lost the gap. Nene chinkoro cheitongale chire gaki tugusabanyasa tokonye. I feel that gap nande ashikile ile familia yake. It's hard. We have lost.
Pole sana abungatia abali mukuru wa school ya St Augustine Otamba imero binyara ko bagiye kwandira buna Ndize TV tebe tukobatebe imero biliragenderere ase ingana yo gusira ko mwalimu monebwe nsemo ya St Augustine Otamba ko reporter yako rwa sensemo ya county ya Kisi Ilistariane Ndemo Steven.